How can I get copies of bankruptcy documents? If you are wondering how to get copies of your bankruptcy documents, you are not alone. Many people need these records for various reasons, like rebuilding credit or disputing errors on their credit reports. Let's break down the steps to make this process as straightforward as possible. First, if your bankruptcy case was filed on or after October 2001, the easiest way to access your documents is through the Public Access to Court Electronic Records system. This system is often referred to as PACER. To use PACER, you will need to register for a free account. Once you have your account, you can search for your case by entering your name or case number. Keep in mind that PACER charges 10 cents per page, but the maximum fee for a single document is $3. If your total charges are under $15 in a quarter, you will not be charged at all. You can download and print your documents directly from the system, which saves you a trip to the courthouse. If you prefer certified copies or your case was filed before October 2001, you can request copies from the clerk's office of the bankruptcy court where your case was filed. To do this, you will need to send a written request that includes your name, case number, and the names of any debtors. Be specific about which documents you want. The cost for copies is usually 50 cents per page, and there may be additional fees if the clerk has to spend a lot of time locating your file. You will also need to include a self-addressed stamped envelope so they can mail the copies back to you. For cases filed before electronic records became common, which is generally before 2004, your documents may be stored at the National Archives. You can request copies by phone or mail, but be aware that fees for retrieval and copying will apply. The clerk at your bankruptcy court can help you with the necessary box and accession numbers to make this request easier. Another option is to use third-party services that specialize in locating and sending copies of bankruptcy records. These services can provide official duplicates directly from the federal bankruptcy court system. However, be cautious, as some companies may charge high fees for documents you can obtain yourself for much less. It is important to keep your bankruptcy paperwork safe after filing. You may need these documents for credit applications, loan approvals, or to dispute errors on your credit report. If you find inaccuracies on your credit report after bankruptcy, having accurate and certified copies can support your claims. In large Chapter 11 cases, you might find documents available online through claims agents or bankruptcy notice providers. These can be searched by case name or docket number. In summary, using PACER is the most direct and cost-effective method for obtaining your bankruptcy documents. If you need certified copies, contacting the bankruptcy court clerk is the way to go. For older cases, the National Archives is the place to check. Always verify any fees and procedures with the specific court where your case was filed.